Introducing the Backtrack Mobile Breathalyzer, the world's first smartphone breathalyzer. The results of your estimated blood alcohol content are transmitted wirelessly via Bluetooth technology to your smartphone. Professional-grade accuracy with proprietary Extend fuel cell sensor technology provides trusted results. Estimate when your BAC will return to 0%. Saved results help you gain insight about your drinking habits. Track what you drank and where with photos, notes, and drink logs. Keep your results private, share them with your friends, or with your whole network. Backtrack, the leader in breathalyzers with over a decade of experience, presents the Backtrack Mobile Breathalyzer.
Introducing the Coros Omni Smart Cycling Helmet with bone conduction audio that gives you a safe, wireless, budless precision audio experience as you ride. Our technology delivers audio vibrations through your upper cheekbones and directly into your inner ear, keeping your ears open to listen to your environment and your hands on the bike. Combined with a wind-resistant microphone in your smartphone, you can play music, listen to voice navigation and ride data, and even take calls. Controls are right at your fingertips. With the smart remote, you can skip tracks, adjust volume, answer calls, and activate the safety light for maximum visibility. And with the cloud-based Coros smartphone app, you can set and save routes, track ride data, share, and compete all in real time. All of this integrated into a performance helmet that's sleek, lightweight, aerodynamic, and safe, giving you the power to stay connected and the freedom to love your ride.
GiroBot is a personal posture coach for your standing desk. Simply stand on GiroMat, and GiroBot will monitor your posture throughout the day. When you slip into bad posture, GiroBot will let you know what's wrong so you can get back into proper posture again.
Oh, your leg is twisted to left. Great.
GiroBot even reminds you to stretch from time to time. Giro app has stretching programs to help you loosen up and refuel your focus. GiroMat is extremely accurate. It has 600 sensors, each with over 1,000
Your body
pressure
is leaning
levels.
right.
GiroMat syncs its data with the GiroBot in real time for more accurate and immediate coaching. You can also check your progress on Giro app. There's more. GiroBot has Amaze's
How is the weather
Alexa
today?
built in, so you
It's
can
sunny.
communicate
The temperature
with Giro
is
and
23
control your
degrees.
smart
Thank you,
appliances
Shido.
by voice. Giro comes in various versions, including Giro Kids.
What is 7 plus
This
5?
encourages kids to
7
develop
plus
a habit
5
of keeping
equals
good
12.
posture, which is critical to their growth. We at Gaze Lab already had a successful Kickstarter campaign 2 years ago with Gaze Desk Smart Duo, a smart standing desk that raised more than $150,000. It's now an established brand, being sold both online and at traditional retail locations. Now we're back on Kickstarter with Giro. 15 engineers have spent 18 months perfecting GiroMat and GiroBot. Combined with GiroMat's accurate sensors and Giro app's personalized recommendations, GiroBot is a personal posture coach for your standing desk. Giro, the personal posture coach for your standing desk.
If you love to travel, you should check out this. Introducing the Pack One Carry-On Travel Bag. It functions equally well as a briefcase, backpack, and duffel bag. With none of the straps installed, it is a clean and stylish briefcase, but combining the 2 shoulder straps turns it into a duffel bag, which is convenient for easy removal and accessing the pockets without setting the bag down. Our exclusive rotating buckles, in combination with this fancy low-profile metal buckle, allow for a quick and easy transition between duffel bag and backpack that requires no extra straps. The 2 straps of a backpack are more comfortable than a duffel bag, but the Pack One is even better because the straps use our buckles to rotate and adjust to your body's natural movements. There is also a removable waist belt that uses another one of our rotating buckles to pivot with the movements of your hips, and a removable sternum strap. The large main compartment contains ingenious internal compression straps that can be used to both secure and shrink down the contents of the bag. The stiffened front pouch has dedicated slots for your cell phone and tablet. The back holds an enormous 17-inch laptop. There are 3 deep pockets on the outside of the bag which can be used in a variety of ways, and a dedicated battery sleeve allows you to charge your phone on the go. An easy access pocket at the top and an internal valuables pocket complete the storage options. The 40-liter size model qualifies as carry-on luggage for most world airlines, so the smaller 30-liter size qualifies as well. Either bag can be easily slid onto the handle of your rolling luggage. There are retention straps for securing items to the outside of the bag, and the removable patch is customizable. The shell material is rugged polyester with a waterproof rubberized backing, and the self-sealing zippers also help to keep the rain out. I've been working on this for 6 years. I got a patent on the buckles. I personally sewed over 20 bag prototypes. Then I went to Vietnam to line up manufacturing. My name is Matthew, and this bag is called the One because it's the only bag you need to travel the world. So don't hesitate. Click that button and support this project. Your reward will be a bag unlike any other.